Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to extend a video inside of Google Flow. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, first step is open up a web browser and head on to labs.google tools flow. And then from here we want to go ahead and open up your project. So I've got one here that I've been working on. So this is just a futuristic city sunset with flying cars. So I want to go ahead and extend this. So what I need to do is go ahead and click into it, and then we can view it. So this only lasts about 7 seconds. So now below this, I'll just pause this video. It's going to say extend. So we can go ahead and click on the extend button. Now before we do that, we need to also add in a prompt. So what happened next? So I'm just going to say extend the video with similar style. You can be as descriptive as you like here. So I'm going to click extend and then click the plus icon there. And now it's going to extend the video, and you're going to see the extended video on the right hand side below the original